Hey guys, my name is Robert Barry, and I want to thank you guys for coming and viewing this video at any point in time. And guys, if you're in affiliate marketing, online marketing, or any kind of business that's online, today I want to give you a very powerful training, and today's training is based on optimizing your Facebook profiles to getting eyeballs and attracting quality persons to your Facebook profile. Okay. And today, my topic is leveraging attraction marketing using Facebook. And so, today, guys, I'm going to use my personal Facebook profile just to give you guys a better example of what it means to optimizing or what it means to optimize your Facebook profile to get the most out of your Facebook profile. And one of the things I believe in utilizing your social media sites in order to get interested persons or high quality persons into viewing your Facebook profile, it fosters a better relationship building. It fosters a better line or better open way of communication and getting prospects interested in you first and then your business. And this, the cost of this in terms of monetary wise is absolutely free. And so I try to use attraction marketing instead of using so much of the paid traffic. So if you guys are interested in attraction marketing and how you can leverage attraction marketing via your Facebook profile, this will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so I'm going to start this training right now, and my head topic for today's training, guys, is leveraging attraction marketing using Facebook. And so I have jotted down a few points here, and so I'm going to be between the points that I have here on my screen and skipping over to my Facebook profile, where I will show you examples of all of my points that I've here listed today. Okay, and so my subtitle for today is optimizing your Facebook profile for the best results. Right, and so my first point for today is to be clear on what it is that you do with your Facebook cover photo. And so I'm going to go over to my Facebook cover photo at this time. Okay, guys, and anytime anyone clicks on your Facebook profile, this is the area that they will more than likely be looking at first. And what I mean by being clear as to what it is that you do, and me personally, I teach business owners how to generate leads for their online business, leveraging attraction marketing for social media. That is what I do. That is what Robert Barry does. So someone else might be, I teach business owners or online marketers how to generate quality prospects through solo ads, or I teach entrepreneurs how to get the most of their solo ads or attraction marketing, or I teach Facebook marketing. This is what I mean by being specific when it comes to what it is that you do and in leveraging your Facebook profile. Okay. And so my next point is be sure that your Facebook profile picture is one that is clear. All right. So as you can see here in my cover photo, I do have a clear picture. My name is stated clearly. Also, my my actual Facebook profile is very clear. Also, to add, it is in sync with my cover photo. And so you can see that I'm here, I'm enjoying a day at the beach, and my Facebook cover photo is showing a very tropical beachy background. And so I think it goes hand in hand. It's a very clean, precise cover photo / profile picture. Okay, so you want to make sure that those two pictures that you're going to have up, it goes hand in hand, your cover photo and your Facebook profile cover photo. Okay, my next point is give a little information about yourself and a link to your business. All right, so where you're going to give a little information about yourself is in the introduction area. And for myself, I'm a lifestyle coach, a mentor, I'm an attraction marketer, and I am also a father. Also, right beneath that, I give a link that takes persons that find me attractive. They may be interested in what it is that I do. I don't give any information about my business. I simply put the link there, and if they're interested, they will click the link and see what it is that I do. And so I think this area is really the introduction into what it is that you do and giving them the option to clicking on your business link. Very important. Okay, moving right along. So the next point that I have here is in your bio section, be sure to post your other social media links, also links to your businesses. Okay, and that is this section right here. And for me, you can see that I live in Nassau, Bahamas during the time when I created this Facebook profile. This is very important. So at the time of recording the video, I have 643 persons that are just following me. Here I have my Instagram. I'll click on it so you guys just can see. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on my Instagram link. I also have my Twitter. It's my Twitter link, and it makes for an even greater connection with me on my social media. Also, just beneath that, I have 2 links to my businesses. And so I'm just piquing interest by just putting those links there. If the persons want to see what it is that I do, I simply put the links and it doesn't come off as spammy. Right? Moving right along, storytelling is a great way to get eyeballs, to create booming attention to your Facebook profile, hence people wanting to network with you even more. Okay, this is very important, guys. And so what I mean by storytelling is, you can see that I have a few 369. I have 9 photos here, and each one of these pictures, you will see that I do a little storytelling. So I have a picture here, 2 representatives of the Ministry of Tourism from the Bahamas congratulating me and presenting me with a certificate on a course that I would have completed. And so I'm just simply giving a little story, and also I have a link to my business, right? Very simple. And so guys, here is another photo, a little storytelling, as a link to my business, and simple picture, success, failure with some arrows, right? And so here's another picture that I have. I'm here at the Atlantis Hotel with some of my family members. We're enjoying a beautiful day at the Atlantis. Now, not in all of my photos and in my storytelling, I would post a link. Sometimes I would leave that out, because if you do it with all of your pictures, it for me, it still comes off as sort of spammy. And so I'm just telling you, I'm here and I'm enjoying myself, and this is what you guys can have when you work towards building an online business, yada yada. And you guys can go ahead if you're interested, and you can come back and you can read the information that I have here. So storytelling is a very unique way in getting eyeballs and optimizing your Facebook profiles. Very professional. Okay. My other point is, add at least 10 to 20 new Facebook friends every day. Facebook allows you to have up to 5,000 friends. Now, at the time of recording this video, I have a little over 1,600 friends. Just today, I would have sent out 20 Facebook friend requests. And so I go in groups, or I go in network marketing groups, and I stroll through different network marketing groups and persons that are in the same niche, persons that seem interesting. I would go ahead and I would send them a friend request, add them. When they accept, I would thank them for accepting my friend request, and I would begin to have engagements with these persons. Okay, very, very good idea of getting quality for persons to be friends and start a a friendship with them. Okay. My other point is, in the life section, post some kind of accomplishment or even some place where you would have traveled. Remember, not everyone is able to travel. So leading with attraction marketing would be showing them what's possible. Okay, guys, and so in the life event section, you see here, you can post some kind of accomplishment. What I've done here is I visited London in 2018 for the first time, and so as you can see here, I'm posting a picture, and attached to this photo I would tell a little story how I became to coming to London to visit some family members. In another photo, I would have visited South Miami Beach with family and friends, and as you can see here, I have a photo with a up, and I'm also attached a story to that as well. Storytelling is what is selling, guys, and it's piquing interest. Okay, and guys, that is how you can begin to optimize your Facebook profiles. If you are not moving in this direction, I strongly suggest that you start to move towards optimizing your Facebook profile. All of social media is absolutely free. And so I would strongly suggest to you guys that are in the network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, try to get all of your social medias fully optimized while at the same time purchasing traffic. I would never tell one to not to buy traffic. Purchasing of traffic is the fastest way of scaling your business. But if you have your social medias optimized and you're purchasing traffic, this is the fastest way in scaling any business online. And so if you guys are interested in partnering with me, you're not making any income online, or if you're interested in an online business, I am going to now take you over to a opportunity that I am a part of. That's going there'll be at the link is going to be at the very bottom of the video. I'm just going to take you quickly into our Facebook group, and the name of the opportunity is $25 one up. I'm just going to scroll through so you guys can see some of the successes some of the group has been having. Here it is. We have just crossed $1 million in paid commissions. And so the CEO of the company is just posting in the group, letting everybody know that we are steamrolling ahead. Okay, like I said, if you're interested in partnering with me, my link is going to be at the very bottom of the video. Okay, so as you can see here, someone is posting they made a 20 out of $25 day. Let me take you in some of the group's photos. So as you can see here, a member has posted he's made $25, $125, $25, and these are unlimited $25 commissions. Okay, and the pay is instant and it is daily. Not too many companies that are online you are able to make instant and daily commissions. Okay, so now I want to show you some of my personal results, and so I'm going to go over here to my Gmail inbox. So as you guys can see, all of these are created. I got all of these through attraction marketing. Very little paid ads. I'm focusing on attraction marketing, getting people interested in my business through attraction marketing. So you can see here, new account created, new account created, new account created, new account created. And so you guys, the link is going to be at the very bottom of the video. If you're interested in partnering with me, you can go ahead, click on the link, create your free account. Just for 35 bucks, you're able to begin a future and make an instant daily commission online. No experience needed. Training is given. Also, when you partner with me, I give you all of my tips and tricks that I use to get you on the fast track. Okay. And this is what the front door of the business looks like. Take you guys really quick. So this is where you will be introduced once you go ahead and create your free account. All right. So as you guys can see, all of the training is given to you, right? So I hope this educational video has helped you guys. Be sure click the link. My Facebook will be at the bottom of this link. And I hope this video has